These pharmaceutical tablets show signs of contamination, and we want to know the origin of this product defect. For this we will use the LUMOS II to trace the contamination source in just a few minutes, without sample preparation. To begin with, we put the tablet on the sample holder and load it into the LUMOS II. Afterwards, we focus on the sample surface and look for the contamination. Then we capture an image for reference and go to the next step. The LUMOS II can be equipped with a TE-MCT, an LN-MCT, and an FPA detector. For this measurement, we selected the TE-MCT detector, which does not require liquid nitrogen cooling. Next, we select Attenuated Total Reflectance, or ATR, as our measurement channel. Then we define the measurement spot. The size and angle of the aperture can be easily adjusted according to the impurity particle. Once we confirm that everything is prepared, we can start the measurement. The ATR crystal will first measure the background against air, followed by the sample stage moving up to bring the sample into contact with the ATR crystal. Shortly after, we can see the entire FTIR spectrum of the contamination particle. To gain more insight, we conduct a library search to determine the identity of the contamination particle. The analysis reveals the identity of the contamination: polyamide. That's it. Thank you for watching.